few moments later.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
Damn, who knew? All the planes we flew, good things we've been through. That I'll be standing right here talking to you about another path. I know we love to hit the road and laugh, but something told me that it wouldn't last. Had to switch up, look at things different, see the bigger picture.
Giving the opening prayer na ako din po ang mag-lead. Ask ko na lang po na tayo po tayong lahat. Upo na lang po kayo, yung iba pong nasa likod na walang upuan. Marami pong bakante dito. To gather together, we ask for your guidance this whole day that we may enjoy this event and create memories with one another. Lord, may you continue to give us grace and mercy that we may see your multifarious wisdom. We're here to remember our late Uncle George Lopez, to his first birthday, that he's not with us anymore, but with our God. Lord, may you sanctify the food that prepared before us. Continue to bless the Lopez family, Bustillo family, Balderas family, Jonggun family. We ask this in your name, in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen. So, maaari na po tayong umupo. Ayan. So, magbibigay lang po ako ng short message about sa event natin this morning. So, ito pong event na ito ay para sa birthday po ng aming uncle na si Uncle George, na first birthday po niya na hindi na natin siya kasama. Pero, ito rin yung first birthday na nandito tayo together to celebrate. Gusto kong magbigay ng isang verse sa Bible, sa John 3:16, sabi niya, di ba? For God so loved the world, that He gave His worthy to be loved, pero yung Panginoon, inibig niya tayo. Ganon din yung na narinig ko about sa parents and sa mga kapatid po ni Uncle George, about the love of Uncle George, na nakita natin yung pag-ibig na binigay niya sa kanyang magulang, sa kanyang mga kapatid, sa kanyang mga pamangkin, is hindi talaga siya mapapalitan ng kahit anuman. Kasi yung pag-ibig, ito ay isang instrument para sa atin upang ma-express natin yung pag-ibig natin sa isang tao. Di ba yung love? Iba yung love mo kapag best friend mo. Iba yung love na ibibigay mo kapag parents mo. Iba din yung love kapag yung loved ones mo, di ba? Pag yung naniligaw yung lalaki sa babae, iba din yung pag-ibig. So, na-appreciate ko yung love na ipinakita ni Uncle George. In 48 years niyang nabuhay, nag-exist siya dito sa lupa, na nagbigay ng pag-ibig sa kanyang family. So, makikita natin yun, na-express na yun. Unang-una, syempre sa kanyang mga magulang. Pangalawa, sa kanyang mga kapatid. Pangatlo, sa kanyang mga pamangkin, mga pinsan at mga kamag-anak. So, yun po yung nag-celebrate tayo ng kanyang birthday. Oo, masakit kasi nga, sana kasama natin siyang nag-celebrate dito, di ba? Pero, everyday we need to be grateful kasi yung Panginoon, binibigyan niya tayo ng tunay na pag-ibig. So, ayun po, magkakaroon po tayo ng yung balloon. Ayan. Meron po tayong balloons na ipapalipad para po makarating kay Uncle George. Ayun po. And then after that, meron po tayong some games na may trivia, and then magla-lunch na po tayo. Lunch na po tayo. Wait lang po So, before po nila ipalipad yung balloons with the letter, sabihin po natin na Happy Birthday in Heaven, George Lopez. That's remembering and loving you always. So, basahin na lang po namin yan. Sige po. Sige, basahin na lang po natin. Wait lang po Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Happy birthday in heaven, George Lopez. Remembering and loving you always. Opo.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again.
So ito, lahat po tayo, pwede po tayong sumagot sa games natin. Meron din naman po, meron tayong prize, pero simple token lang po siya. So ito pong questions natin ay trivia. So question number 1. Pag gusto niyo pong sumagot, taas niyo po yung kamay So question number 1, what is the exact birthday or complete birthday of our celebrant?
Dito ay.
Sige po.
Dito tayo.
Anong year po? Anong year po? Ano po?
May need
1971. Malapit na po. Sige po. Next po. Sige po.
George's birthday is June 22, 1953.
Sige po, next. Wait lang. Sige, baba mo muna. Baba mo na.
Hindi magpaturo ka.
Wait lang. Ready? 1. Wala pa. 1. Ay, hindi pala pwede yung relative, yung parents, yung pamangkin. Kasi alam nyo to Very good. So, nakuha ni Kuya. Ano ang pangalan ni Kuya? Ginobili. So, nakuha niya yung tamang sagot. Ang birthday po ng ating celebrant ay June 22, 1973. So, nakuha ni Kuya yung, yung 1 million. May 1 million ka, Kuya. Sige, claim mo na lang mamaya. Ay, wala doon. So, question number 2.
Yung price 1
million. Okay, question number 2. What is the favorite color of the celebrant? Wait lang, baba niyo muna. Wait lang, baba niyo muna. Wala muna. Baba po muna. Ready? Wala pa. 1, 2, 3. Wala pa. Go! Color? Ay, hindi ka kasali. Isa pa.
Ano daw?
Ante?
Hindi siya kasali.
Ako kasali.
Sige, baba na lang ulit.
Sangkal sa likod.
Ready, 1, 2, 3, go! Sige po.
White.
White daw. Sige, tama. White. Tama na. Sabi niya, tama. Anong kulay yung short?
Wait, hindi.
6 packet. Tama din. Anong kulay? Pero white yung damit. Very good. Kaso may nauna, ang galing. Dito ka. May pangatlong question pa tayo. Okay, question number 3. What is the complete date of death of Uncle George? Sige pa. Set a minute.
August 10, 2021.
Tama po. August, so nawala po sa atin si Uncle George ng August 10, 2021.
Get your gift. Say.
73 po, 1973. Hindi ulit tumama, pero malapit naman na. So, ayan po. And then, Yun po. So, since gutom na rin naman po tayo, mag-lunch na po tayo.
Ikaw mag...
Singing way oh, oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh, oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Way oh, oh. You got me singing way oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
Damn, who knew? All the planes we flew, good things we've been through. That I'll be standing right here talking to you about another path. I know we love to hit the road and laugh, but something told me that it wouldn't last. Had to switch up, look at things different, see the bigger picture. Those were the days, hard work forever pays. Now I see you in a better place. How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I went through, you were standing there by my side, and now you gon' be with me for the last ride.
Been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
First you both go out your way and the vibe is feeling strong. It was small, turn to a friendship turn to a bond, and that bond will never be broken, the love will never get lost. And when brotherhood come first, then the line will never be crossed. Established it on our own when that line had to be drawn, and that line is what we reach, so remember me when I'm gone. How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I went through, you were standing there by my side, and now you gon' be with me for the last ride.
Let the light guide your way. see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again. You will be part of me, and I will forever feel your strength when I need it most. You're gone now, gone but not forgotten. I can't say this to your face, but I know you hear. I'll see you again. You never really left. I feel you walk me That I am and all that I have, I lay them down before you, oh Lord, and all my regrets and all my acclaim, the joy and the pain, I'm making them yours.
Things in the past, things yet unseen, wishes and dreams that are yet to come true. All of my hopes, all of my plans, my heart and my hands are lifted to you.
Lord, I offer my life to you. Everything I've been through, use it for your glory. And Lord, I offer my days to you, lifting my praise to you. That's a pleasing sacrifice. Lord, I offer you my life. That I am, that I have, I lay them down before you, oh Lord, and all my regrets, all my acclaim, the joy and the pain, I'm making them yours. Things in the past, things yet unseen, wishes and dreams that are yet to come true. All of my hopes and all of my plans, my heart and my hands are laid.
A few moments later.
Ay, may dala si Auntie. Yan po. Yan. Ito po. So, ito po yung rosary ni ate. So, kunin niyo po kay Ate Lida yung prize. Ganun po ba? Tapos, okay lang po ba na itong rosary is ibigay na lang po natin kay Uncle George para ilagay po sa morn food niya? Kung okay lang po. Sige po. Sige po. Thank you po. Thank you po. Next, bring me a candle. Bring me a candle. Kandila. Bigyan daw kandila. Bring me kandila. Ubus naman na yung May. Meron pa din. Ano ba yan? And then, the third is, bring me ang coin 20 pesos. Nasa bahay, takbuhin mo! 20! Yun! Meron na! Ito po. Pwede bang i-donate na lang din natin? Ito, joke lang. Dahil lang po kay Ate Rizel. Ayan. And then, pang-apat, bring me 1,000 bill. Peso, 1 peso. Ay, 1,000 bill. Buo na 1,000 ah. Ayun, price kay Ate Rizel. Ito, donate na lang din natin. Donate na lang din natin, no? Balik natin sa 1,000 isang daan. Ano, pili ka. Yung 100, 1,000. Ano, sa akin na to? Thank you! And then, joke lang. Ha? Ay, kay Kuya. Ako, mapagalitan ka ni Kuya. Ginagawa mo na, joke lang. Akala ko bibigay mo din, kaya akin na lang. And then, pang-lima. Thank you. Next. Ang 5. Bring me handkerchief. Handkerchief. Dali! Handkerchief! Face towel! Hand towel! Dali! Ayan. O, kunin mo natin. Okay. So, thank you sa participation. And then, meron tayong last game. Itong last game, ano siya, 4 siya na bond paper na kailangan buuin ninyo ng isang sentence. Yung words na yon is under the chair na inuupan nyo. O, wait lang, wala mo nang gagalaw. Wala mo nang gagalaw. Para makuha yung prize, kailangan buuin ninyo yung ano na yon, yung 4 na words. Sige, ready, go! Nasa under ng chair. Dali! Sige, hanap! Meron na ba? You have 10 seconds. You have 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pero mali pa din. Bigyan ko kayo ng chance. 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mali pa din eh. Kung naalala nyo kanina, bago natin paliparin yung balon, ay binasa natin, di ba? Ano yung nakalagay doon? Happy birthday in heaven, George Lopez, remembering and loving always. So, natin sila. Ayan. So, ayan po. Sila po ang nanalo. Binigyan na natin ng clue. Dapat may bawas yun kasi binigyan ko sila ng clue. Pagpayan na lang ako.
Ito nang mag-wala yung premyo natin. Kuhain mo doon.
Kaya Darlene mo. Ayan. So, yun na po yung ating games. For our closing remarks, tawagin po natin si Ate Rizel for closing remarks.
Ito ko po sa sa flower bed.
Hindi ko na po tatagalin, pero I would just want to say thank you sa lahat ng naka-attend. This is a simple celebration lang to remember Kuya namin, Kuya George. Kasi this is the first time na mag-birthday siya na hindi na namin siya kasama. So, si Lord na yung kasama niya. So, mahirap man natanggapin, pero kailangan. So, kaya yung iba hindi na kami nag-invite talaga kasi for sana hindi magkampo yung mga hindi na imbitahan kasi it's a simple celebration lang. Gusto lang namin siyang ipadama kahit wala lang siya sa piling namin, gusto lang namin siyang ipadama na it's a simple celebration. Naalala pa rin namin siya at hindi namin siya makakalimutan. So, thank you sa time. Alam ko, busy tayong lahat and may pandemic pa, pero andito kayo to celebrate with us. And yung mga ibang kamag-anak na malayo at nakita-kita. So, thank you. And I would like to thank also to our catering services, kay Maylin, deliver mo, surprise mo, deliver ko. So, if you want to have your party na mag-celebrate na ganito, you can access sa Facebook. Yung si Maylin. Taga Pusurugyo po sila. Tama, Pusurugyo. Ayan. So, thank you sa lahat. And wala na, hindi ko na patatagalin. Thank you so much.
Ayan, thank you po sa inyong pang-closing remarks. So, hello. Thank you po sa inyong pag-attend ng birthday ni Uncle George. Yan po. Ingat na lang po tayo sa ating pag-uwi. Thank you po.
Miss your voice, miss your smile, everything about you worth the while. Always wondering where you are. I hope you're with us, near or far. Many questions unanswered, I guess we'll never know. But now you belong to heaven. It's empty without your smile. The truth brings us to tears. All the love you gave us all these years. Always seeing you at night when I turn off the light and the world's asleep.